It's a big box. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's video is super exciting. I just got some really nice items from Rare Beauty. I've been dying to get my hands on these. So this is a Rare Beauty haul, and this is also one of my manifestations that hopefully one day I can get some Rare Beauty PR or be on the PR list. Manifesting. Hopefully. I love their makeup products, I love their clothing. Right now I have on a full face of Rare Beauty, so everything down to the mascara. The only thing is that I don't have from Rare Beauty is like the eyebrows. My favorite part of this makeup look is like the highlighter, because you can see it from a mile away, and her tinted moisturizer. It just makes my skin look flawless and just beautiful. It's a big box. Okay, so I can't wait. First item I have here is this cute headband. How cute. Ooh. You guys are the first ones to see. I waited until I made this video. I wanted you guys to see my true reaction, but yeah, this is so cute and the color is just adorable. Oh my gosh, stop it. Hold on. This is perfect, like if you know you're doing your makeup, you could just like slide it back. I'm gonna just keep it on the whole time. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, so that is one. I love that headband. Next item I got is this beautiful pouch makeup bag. It's the Puffy makeup bag. It's so cute. I love the color. And this is the inside. How cute. This is just perfect to like to go put your go-to makeup, or honestly all your Rare Beauty makeup in here and just go. I love it. I love the color. I love the inside as well. Very nice. This one, I've been waiting for this, you guys. This is the Fine Comfort Bouncy Body Cream. Essentially, it's a whipped bouncy body cream that instantly melts into your skin for nourishing hydration and a non-greasy glow. Woo! You are rare. Just her packaging is just always just beautiful. Okay, they have it upside down. Ooh, so cute. Guys, this feels like pretty. It feels pretty heavy. Not heavy, but it's like a good weight. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I love with the R in the middle. Okay, let's open it together. Ooh. Oh, it already just looks super creamy. Oh wow. That smells so good. I don't know how to explain it, you guys, but it smells amazing. Never smelled something like this before, but it just smells really good and just refreshing. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. I'm gonna swatch some on my front of my hand, just get a little bit more. It's so bad. Look at this. Oh wow, look at that. Wow, this is extremely moisturizing. You don't even need a lot. Let's see the difference. Wow, you guys see that? Do you see that? I don't want to run out of this, like, but it's definitely like a bouncy cream. So much product in here, it's not even funny. This will last me a very long time, but I still want to get another one. I didn't get the mist, but eventually I would love to get the mist and try that out. I will hopefully try to get the spray and the mist that it comes with, like the duo. Not a huge haul, you guys. I have 3 more items, but this is the biggest haul I've ever done here on my channel. This is the sweatpants that I've been wanting to get. Why am I struggling? Okay, there we go. These are the sweatpants. This is in the size extra small. Ooh, this is what the bottom looks like. It cups in the bottom, and this is a beautiful color. This is the back. This is the front. Okay, I'm gonna try it on so you guys can see. I'm so glad. How can I show you guys from afar? This is what it looks like. It's gorgeous. I love it. Very nice. I was wearing a dress, by the way, so that's why this looks weird, but yeah. I was thinking of getting a small, and if I would have gotten a small, it would have been just a little bit more bigger than what I would have wanted, and this is the perfect size. So I would say size it down one. If you're a medium, get a small. If you're a small, get an extra small. So the next item that I got is the hoodie. I had to get the matching hoodie, so I'm gonna show you. I also got it in an extra small. This is this satin. Ooh, I love the color. The color is gorgeous. Okay, let's try it on. It's like all in the front.
Of course, if you want to tie it up.
Was terrible, but you guys get the point. The R in the front for rear. It's just perfect size. I feel like if I would have got a small, it would have been more oversized. This is a good hoodie to order oversized. It can be cozy and comfy. I kind of wanted something a little bit more fit, and this is perfect. I love it, and I feel cozy, and the color is gorgeous. This is the baseball hat. One thing I wish that they did is if they had this in black, but this color I had to get because it's just staple. It's a staple Rare Beauty color. I had to get it. It's gorgeous. She has this hat in this color. I got the whole set complete, but I would love this in black.
I need a Rare Beauty hat in black, please. This is the back, the side.
Got this toy. Look.
Oh my gosh, no way.
Excuse me? When I saw this, I was like, I have to get it. And every time I tried to get it, it was always sold out. Like, why? All I want in life is a Rare Beauty toy for my dog. Let's see if she likes it. Yeah. Look at your toy. You like it, Annie? Yay! For you! For you, look! You like it, mamas? Go get it. She likes it, guys. She's wagging her tail. Look at this one. Ooh! Take off the tag. Good. Rare Beauty bag. I'm gonna get it in the other color. It's like a beige color, but I was like, this is perfect for like every day, you know? Look how big this is. You can fit your whole life in here. I could literally fit Chanel in there. That's how big this is. Wow. Look at the makeup bag compared to this. This is literally fitting my whole screen. You put your makeup, plop it in there. Look at that. Look at this. I'm going everywhere with this bag. There is one pocket in here, if you guys were wondering, in case you're interested. There is one pocket, but honestly, that is fine with me. I love it, and this is what these straps look like. Very cute. Actually, let me show you what it looks like on. Wait, just one on. Very cute and chic. I love that. Material is really good. I could put everything in here. Last thing I wanted to show you guys is this that I got a while back. I got this bag from one of my previous orders and I love this bag. Like, I got this bag for free and I just really appreciate that from this brand because not a lot of brands give out a free bag like this. Well made, very cute, and I love it. I did get the kit, Fine Comfort Hydrating Body Lotion, but this is like a mini version and I love, you guys, this. Oh, this smells heavenly. I love this. This, as you can see, I'm already gone. There's nothing in there. I had like a little drip on there, but it's empty. I really do feel comfortable and cozy and just your best self when you wear it. It just smells amazing. That is everything from what I got. Stay tuned for more reviews on things that I really love and personally use. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you liked today's video. I would love for you to join the family, continue with me on this journey. I'll see you in the next video.